If you want to make your audio sound smoother and more professional, learning how to crossfade in Audacity is a great skill to have. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to crossfade audio in Audacity step by step, so you can blend two clips together without those awkward jumps or hard cuts. This is perfect for podcasts, music edits, voiceovers, and any project where you want a seamless transition. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Audacity guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Audacity and load the audio you want to work with. The most important part of this process is how your clips are arranged. If you want to blend two sections on one track, make sure the two audio pieces are touching or positioned exactly where you want the fade to happen. If you're working with audio on two separate tracks, then overlap the clips so Audacity can create a smooth transition between them. You can also crossfade a single clip on one track if that's the layout you're using. Once your audio is in place, take a moment to zoom in if needed so you can see the transition area clearly. This makes it much easier to select the exact section you want to turn into a crossfade. Now, click and drag with your mouse to highlight the specific area where the fade will happen. Try to be precise here, because the selected region is what Audacity will use for the effect. After you've highlighted the correct section, go up to the top menu and click Effect. This is where Audacity keeps all of its audio processing tools. From the Effect menu, hover over Fading. You'll see a few different fading options, but the one you choose depends on how your audio is arranged. If your audio is on one track, select Crossfade Clips. This option is designed for clips that are touching or arranged on the same track, and it helps blend the ends together smoothly. If your audio is on two separate tracks, select Crossfade Tracks instead. That option is ideal when you want one track to fade out while the other fades in, giving you a clean layer transition. After selecting the correct crossfade option, click Apply. Audacity will process the selected area and create the fade for you automatically. In just a few seconds, your audio should now transition much more naturally without that sudden cut between sections. At this point, it's a good idea to listen back and make sure the crossfade sounds the way you want. If it feels too short or too long, you can always undo it and try again with a different selection. That's one of the great things about Audacity. You can fine-tune your edits until they sound perfect. And that's how to crossfade in Audacity. Simple, fast, and super useful once you know where to click. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because I post more step-by-step tutorials like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.